Okay, girls, guess where I'm at? I'm at Mother Neff State Park, and this is a 150 watt portable, very lightweight solar panel, and I'm charging my stuff, and it's charging it with the sun. I love technology. Anyway, yeah, it's only like about 100 today, and it's hot. So, how do you like our living room? We just had the naengmyeon, Daddy's favorite. This is really nice spot. Really nice to bring my grandson over here, having practice walker. Yeah, it's hot. We're gonna have to go hiking pretty soon, but it's so hot. Look, did I show you this? Yep. I don't have to do all the pedal. Your daddy has to. I'm making life easy for me. 저거 버섯도 넣고 어디서 타는 거 다 집어넣어.
그걸 어디 여기에다 집어넣는다고?
그때처럼.
에다가
고기 지금 익을 때 동안 그거 이제 고기를 꺼내놨다가 요거 야채 만들고 이제 다시 고기 넣고 뚜껑 닫고 그러면 쫙 익어버려. 아이고 코딱지만 한 데서 음식 할 테니까.
고생이 많구만 제가.
One pot meal. Yeah, smells good. It's called Mama's whatever meal. Whatever stuff you have. 알리브 하나 먹어봐야지. I love olive.
맛있어요?
아, 알리브가 들어가니까 무슨 또 이탈리안 스타일이 된 것 같아.
이탈리안 포크찹이야?
이제 샐러드만 익어서 고기는 아까 이렇게 해서 바삭바삭하네. You want me to cook the vegetable more?
Just a
What
little
are you
bit.
doing, 여보?
냄새 너무 좋다. 빨리 먹자. 배고프대.
What kind of food is that?
이거
It's called whatever pork chop.
포크찹.
You cook it with whatever. Ooh. Oh. All right.
시요.
Okay.